Imagine a robot that can tie your shoes without needing a constant internet connection. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Google just made it real. Their new Gemini Robotics On-Device AI can run fully offline, and it's a game changer for the future of robotics. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd want a robot like this to do for you. So what's different about this model? Until now, Google's robots needed to split the load, a small model on the device and a big one in the cloud. That meant delays, spotty reliability, and privacy concerns. But with this new on-device vision language action model, robots can react instantly, without waiting for the cloud to think. Carolina Parada, head of robotics at Google DeepMind, explains that this makes robots far more reliable in tough environments where internet access isn't guaranteed. It also gives developers the freedom to fine-tune the AI with just 50 to 100 demonstrations. Imagine teaching a robot to fold shirts or even tie laces just by showing it a few times. Of course, robots aren't perfect. While this model handles straightforward tasks surprisingly well, anything requiring complex multi-step reasoning, like making you a sandwich, will still need more powerful AI. And safety is critical. Google stresses that developers must build in safety layers, like limits on force and speed, to keep things under control. Still, this marks a turning point. Robots that work offline are more private, faster, and more adaptable. And according to Parada, this is only the beginning. The tech is still based on Gemini 2.0, and future versions could be even more capable. If you want to see what's next for AI and robotics, make sure to watch the related video in the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who geeks out about future tech.